Welcome to the Mac Corner. It's been a while since I've posted a last post. Here's some MacBooks, MacBook Airs, MacBook Pros that are ready for sale. We have a brand new M2 MacBook Air 15-inch over there. We have one of these new 24-inch iMacs. We have some older iMacs up on top here, one 27-inch for $499 and a $299 21.5-inch. Then we have a nice 2019 949 iMac that will work great and runs the current software. And then over here, we move the cabinet next to the computers. We have some iPhones, and we have an iPad mini and an iPad Air with an Apple Pencil. We also, as you can see, we have a whole bunch of Satechi gear. We have these briefcases for 14 and 13-inch MacBook Pros, MacBook Airs. We have a whole bunch of accessories over here that are all from Satechi. We have keyboards, mice, we have charging cables, USB-Cs. We have a ton of USB-Cs. We have blocks that are extra efficient. We have multi-chargers. This is one of my favorites right here. Great for gift giving. So we're closed on Black Friday, but come into the Mac Corner and check us out after you do your Black Friday. Come here and get the specialized MacBook and iPhone accessories that we have, as you can see, plenty in stock, and pick those up for your gift giving season. We'll see you after Black Friday.